So you can use it as a baseline, and it also calculates your weight. So it shows you your weight, your body fat percentage total, and then your lean muscle mass. So it's really a cool thing to do if you're starting out. And a DEXA scan it's this machine that you just lay, it's like a table, you lay on it. It's got this robotic arm that goes over you, kind of like an MRI, except it's not enclosed. But what it does is it was originally made to measure your bone density for, osteoporosis and that type of thing. But there was a secondary purpose for it, and it also tracks how much body fat you have and where it's at. So you get this picture of your whole body, and it'll say, well, you have this much fat in your abdomen. So you can use it as a baseline, and it also calculates your weight. So it shows you your weight, your body fat percentage total, and then your lean muscle mass, and it gives you the pounds in each of your sections of your body. So it's really a cool thing to do if you're starting out. Get one right away, because then you got a baseline to see how far you've gone. And you can also see that you've actually lost fat instead of muscle.
I was really impressed by it. I did it, and just they give you such a comprehensive report. I think it was like 8 pages. Your bone density, but also like muscle and fat, everything that you said, and you see this color printout that shows everything where your fat is, and it's an amazing tool to give you that baseline.
I was like maybe 250, 260 pounds when I first got mine, so I was like halfway between my journey, and then I got one later when I was about 225. What was cool was even between that point and my kind of where I'm at now, you could see that I'd gained 5 pounds of muscle. That actually happened kind of after I transitioned from the omnivore spinach salads with protein on top to mostly animal-based carnivore stuff. So I basically lost 10 pounds of fat switching to carnivore, and then I gained 5 pounds of muscle. So it was a net loss of 5, and I would have never known that if I hadn't got the DEXA scan. So
thanks for listening to the Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. Thanks.